Today I'm excited to tell you about Modular DS, a tool that lets you automate maintenance tasks for multiple WordPress sites and scale your recurring revenue. In one go, Modular DS lets you update, activate, deactivate, or delete plugins and themes across all your WordPress sites. And if you want to install a new plugin or theme on multiple websites, you can use a file, tap the AI assistant, or search in the WordPress repository. Once you've narrowed it down, just choose your websites and hit install. Now you've got a built-in uptime monitoring tool doing all the heavy lifting for you. Once everything's been configured, you're all set. Even if your site does crash, you've got a backup ready to be restored. In fact, you can set up custom backups for files, databases, or the whole shebang. Modular DS will also check for any vulnerabilities or security issues to ensure themes and plugins are updated right away, which is really important if you want to minimize your risk of getting hacked. And with the Tier 3 upgrade, you can monitor for uptime every 2 minutes across 50 websites. This'll come in handy if you're managing loads of client websites. With built-in reporting and analytics, you can also schedule reports that include info on updates, backups, uptime, and data from Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and Google PageSpeed. You can get even more granular by detailing maintenance tasks and adding screenshots to keep them in the loop. Every report can be customized, from the logos and target language to the data fields. If you don't want to include specific sections, just hide them. You can always add write-ups to explain critical findings with your client. Once the report's good to go, you can schedule it to be generated and sent via email using your own email domain. And just like that, you've got a polished report in 2 formats, PDF and landing page. You'll be able to add welcome messages and a global overview to get clients up to speed. They'll get everything distilled into one report, including site performance, maintenance tasks, updates, backups, data from Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Google PageSpeed, and so much more. With all this value packed into each report, your clients will be more than happy to pay their invoices on time and in full. Managing WordPress sites doesn't have to be a full-time job. Modular DS can tackle all the nitty-gritty, so you can focus on bigger projects while getting that recurring revenue. So check the description box to snag this lifetime deal while supplies last.